Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my winter FabFitFun and I am so excited. I love the subscription box so much. And look how cute the box is. I get total winter vibes from it and all their boxes are always the cutest. I always reuse them. And on the corner here it says, in support of women's Alzheimer's movement. So they always support charities, which I think is so amazing. And yeah, so I am so excited to dig right in. I'm an annual subscriber, so I got to choose a lot of the products, and I honestly can't remember everything that I chose because it was so long ago. So also another thing is that this box here is so heavy. It is probably the heaviest box that I've ever gotten, and I honestly don't know why it's so heavy. I can't even remember if there's anything that's supposed to be heavy, but I guess we'll see. Oh my gosh, inside the box is really pretty as well. And that's what it looks like. So this is the pamphlet. It's got all the product info inside. It's also got other things inside as well. Things about fashion, cooking. I actually do enjoy reading these. And then there's 9 free meals for HelloFresh. And then looks like this is a code. So if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun, you can use that code and you get $15 off your first box. Okay. I am so excited about this. This was a choice item. This is a blanket, and I love blankets. I feel like you can never have enough blankets. This is so soft, and I love the color. It's so neutral. I'm not going to open it up, but this looks so comfortable. I'm so excited about this. So let me get to the page. So that is worth $65. That is crazy. Yeah, I am so excited about this. I feel like that's the perfect winter item for the box. So yeah, great start. Next we have Kuchio Yoga. That's the way it was written. Calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. So that sounds pretty amazing. Okay, so this is worth $39.95. I feel like that's pricey for what it is, but I'm really happy to try it out. So I'm really excited about this. I actually have the mini of this. This is Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, and I use a detangler all the time. So that is worth $23. Oh yeah, I remember choosing this. This is a set of face masks, and you all know I love face masks. And I actually have some masks from this brand, so I already know that I love it. This is Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. So this kit includes age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal eye. And this would make a great gift set as well. if you didn't want to keep it for yourself. Or you can split them up and divide them among people. But these are great masks. Look at the variety you get. That is amazing. I'm so happy about this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 masks. And that is worth $42. Okay, so this here I heard many great things about, and I am so happy to get to try it myself. This is Frank Body. It's called Original Coffee Scrub. 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. And this is a pretty big bag. That is worth $16.95. I feel like that's not a bad price considering the size and everything. Next we have Original Pink Makeup Eraser. So they sell this at Sephora and I almost picked it up. I'm not going to open it up, but basically it's like a cloth and you wet it and it's supposed to take off all your makeup. So yeah, hopefully this does the trick. I am definitely really excited to try it out. And that is worth $20. So there's a picture of it opened up. I remember this, oh my gosh, slippers, and I have been needing some. Oh, these are so cute. They look so warm, and I love the color. Aren't these so cute? Oh, I'm so excited about these. This is the perfect winter box. I feel like this is honestly such an amazing box. So that is worth $45. So I believe, yeah, so there's just one last thing in the box, and it is this planner. And it says 2020. I love the floral design, and I don't know, I just figured I would get it to be more organized in the next year. That is so pretty. So it's got calendars and all the holidays. You can put notes. Oh, I love that. I love the calendars. Because I like to hand write things out. This is awesome. I am definitely going to get some great use out of this. So yeah, and I just love design. And that is worth $27.95. So that is everything that I got in the box. I am so excited for everything. This is honestly one of the best boxes that I've ever received. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.